Okay, so today we are going to cover app ID topic. Okay, in this we will see how we are going to allow traffic with the help of app ID and how app ID will work. Okay, so let me upload this lab configuration and we will start this session by 1805. Okay, till that guys, straight. Till that I will be check my lab is properly working or not. Okay, so I think now we have to start this session. Okay, because time is up. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you here what is the concept of app ID. Okay, why we are going to use app ID here in this. Let me take marker. Okay, it's not required a marker because we have already marker in this. Okay, as you can see here, we have two firewall. One is the traditional firewall, one is the Palo Alto firewall. Okay, on both sides, guys, we are going to allow the DNS traffic. So first of all, you can see here, legacy firewall is allowing the DNS, this DNS traffic with the help of this port 53. And Palo is also allowing the traffic with the help of this port 53. Now, Guys, what is the difference? Here we are going to allow the port number 53, but Palo Alto allow the DNS. Okay, application. This one is not working on the your port number. This one is working on the app ID. Okay. So guys, now let's see in the next slide what happened with this. Suppose that guys now, if this legacy firewall is getting traffic on port number 53, one is the DNS, another one is the BitTorrent traffic. Okay, so this traditional firewall cannot filter on the what type of traffic is going on the port number 53. Okay, it will be check only the things traffic is going through port number 53 and that traffic is allowed and we are going to permit that traffic. Okay, so now if you are talking about the Palo Alto firewall application filter, how it will work, let's see. Now you can see here guys what happened in case of Palo Alto firewall. This one is not working only on your port number. It will be check the behavior of the application. As you know, DNS is sending request to resolve the name. Okay, your name to IP address resolved. So this type of traffic we are sending on the DNS. So it will be check the behavior of that traffic and allow that. And if we are getting this BitTorrent traffic, means we are trying to exchange the file, share the file. So it will be block all this type of traffic, which one is we are using apart from the name resolve. Okay. So whatever the remaining request, we will be block that. This one is the way how Palo Alto is working for the app ID. So guys, you can understand in the app ID is not working only on the port number. It will be check the behavior of application. Okay, and its signature. It will be check all those things. Okay, now I will be show you guys what thing it will be check inside the application filter and app ID. Okay, now guys, if you want to check the app ID of Palo Alto firewall, for that you can open its Applipedia. Okay, now let me show you application center. So this one is the all application database. Okay, so suppose that let me show you one application, Skype application. Okay, we have to check which type of traffic is allowed on the this application and for which type of protocol services we have to allow for the Skype. So guys, Skype, oh wait, Skype, wait guys, filter is not working. Yeah, now. So guys, this one is the Skype. Okay, so now you can see dependency of on these application. If you want to allow Skype, so guys, for allow Skype you have to allow all these application. Okay, now you can see Office 365, SSL, Stun, Webblock, okay, Windows, Azure base. So all these are the application dependency. As you can see here, this application risk level is your 5, and which type category is the collaboration, voice and video. So when we are going to call your application, so that time we follow all the things here. Okay, so guys, as you can see right now here on my app, my this PC, I am able to open everything, Facebook, Google, everything. Okay, you can see I am able to open the Google, I am able to open everything. Reason is behind that because right now in my policy, let me check the policy rule. Guys, this one is the different firewall and this one is my normal firewall, which one I am using for the take the class. So you can see here we are getting the tag. Okay, and you can see here in this we allow HTTP and HTTPS all the services. That's why we are able to open all these websites. Okay guys, if we are talking about this tag, we are using this tag to filter the your rule. Okay, for that you have to create this tag. Now let me show you where we can create this tag. Guys, this one is the tag list. Wait guys, it will take some time. So you can see I have all these tag. Now let me create here one more tag. Web app. Web application. So color, which one color I will select? Blue. No, this one is already here. Let me select, no, black is not good. Light gray. Okay. So this light gray color I'm going to select here. So guys, now what I'm going to do here in this web access rule. So let me change this tag. Let me delete this. Now in place of all these services, let me delete this. We are going to allow one by one. Okay, first of all, let me call here web access. I think web browsing is the name of application. Yeah, web browsing. So guys, as you can see with this name web browsing. Okay, now let me check here which type of port are allow inside this web browsing. Okay, web browsing guys, let me check. Web browsing. Okay, so guys, if we allow this web browsing, in this we have only TCP port number 80. Okay, that means only HTTP traffic. Okay, if I allow this application, so with the help of this app ID, I can open only those website which one is working on the HTTP. I can't open that website which one is working on the HTTPS. Okay. So on guys HTTP, I have one NGO website, so we can try to open that. Okay, because that one is working on the HTTP, and we will try to also open Google and all those website. Okay, but we are not able to open that. So first of all, let me close this. Okay, and let me clear session all. Okay, let's just okay. So guys, I think our commit is done. Good. So now let me go back on my test PC and open the Mozilla Firefox Chrome. So now let me try to open Google. Let's see here, it will take some time till that we can check here. Okay, we are not getting guys, and we are not able to open this application. Guys, one more thing, we are not getting here log of the discard because we didn't generate log for this. Did you see? We are not getting log for this interzone traffic, because whatever traffic is going from untrust to trust, okay, we are not able to getting the log for this. But in the next time, if you want to see the log of this rule, for that you have to click here, select this rule, and after that you have to click overwrite. Okay, and then you can generate log here. Okay, by default guys, we are not getting the log of this default rule. Okay, we have to commit this, then we are able to open. But now let me try to open one website which one is working on HTTP. That one is ygfngo.org. Okay, so let's see here in the log section we are able to open or not. Discard. Wait guys, ping ygfngo.org. Hmm. Okay guys, this one is very slow. You can see we are getting the header of the website. Okay, and now this one is uploading. Guys, my internet is very slow here as I'm getting only 2 mbps speed. Okay, so we are able to open the website. Okay, now you can see here web browsing. If you want to see the log properly, we are able to open this website, or this one is any other website. So let me show you detail of this log. Show session ID 1150. Destination is this. As I know, this one is my web server IP address. Uh, NSLWPUP. Okay, guys, so let me use ns lookup ygfngo.org. Okay, so this one is the log of our traffic, which one traffic is allowed. But still, guys, we are not able to open Google and all those things. Why? Because those things are working with the HTTPS. Okay, and one more thing. Suppose that if I want to open Google, so definitely, guys, Google is a well-known application. Okay, and Gmail, all these are the well-known applications. So maybe for that we have here app ID. Google. Okay, let me search. Okay, so you can see here we are getting all the Google, Gmail, all the things here. You can see here. For Gmail, we have separate ID, app ID. You can see for Google Analytics, App Engine updating, Google Base. Guys, if you want to open google.com, now for that you have to allow Google Base application. Okay, Google Buzz, this calendar. We have multiple application. Whatever service you want to allow of the Google, so you can use that application. Okay, you have to check here Google Drive. So here we have a lot of application. So guys, we are going to allow here one by one all application. Okay, first of all, guys, suppose that I want to open only Google. So for that I have to use Google, sorry, Google Base. Okay, so guys, where is the Google Base? Google Base. Okay, allow, and now let me commit. Okay, so now guys, we are also getting now log for this default rule. Okay, in the Cisco, this one is called implicit deny rule. Okay, here this one is called the default rule. Okay, and we generate the traffic for log for this rule also. So to verify this rule, guys, we are going to open that facebook.com. Okay, and we will try to open Google also, but it will be take guys lot of time. Google.com. Meanwhile, let me open also. Okay, guys, we are able to see here Google. That means we are able to open. But for this Facebook, guys, wait, why I didn't get SSL discard, guys? Did you see this? 12. Wait, show log all. Clear session, or let me clear all the logs so we can easily find out this and refresh this Facebook again. Okay, so now show session all. Okay, Google Play discard. We should get also SSL discard. Let me check this one. Show session ID. ID is 241. Okay, so our destination is this one. Address and lookup 157.240.23.53. Okay, let me try to resolve facebook.com. Okay, guys, sometimes this NS lookup is not working. Okay, yeah, we are getting here. Guys, if you try sometime, we are getting multiple IP address for facebook.com. Okay, so you can see our Facebook traffic is discard. And guys, you can see which one rule is responsible for block this traffic. Policy deny. This one is the NAT rule. SSL. Okay, this one is the application is SSL. Okay, rule is this, guys. You can see which one rule is responsible for block this traffic. V1 inter-zone default. Okay, so basically our inter-zone default rule is responsible for block this traffic. Is this clear, guys? So now whatever application you want to allow, oh sorry, allow within your organization, you can allow that. Okay, now guys, right now we can open only Google. If you are trying to open Gmail, then still you cannot open Gmail. Okay, because Gmail is also blocked with the help of this. You cannot open Gmail. Okay, because Gmail is also blocked with the help of this app ID. You see, we are not able to open. If you check here, again log, so you will get few more packet here SSL discard. If I check this app ID 308, so you can see here SSL discard. If I check the IP address, this one is the IP address. So definitely this one of the Gmail. Okay, let me try 296.99. Okay guys, so this time this one is showing unknown. Let me try to resolve from the Gmail. Okay guys, same we are, yeah, we are getting this IP address. This one is from same range guys, but different. Okay, because for Gmail guys we have multiple IP address. Okay, because they are using load balancing, a lot of things are there, so we are not getting fixed IP address for this. Okay, but if you want to allow Gmail, so guys you have to go back here again in the rule. Okay, and you have to call here Gmail base also. Oh, spelling mistake. Gmail. Okay, so Gmail base. Okay, done. Now after this guys you are Gmail also. Okay, so guys, this one is your app ID. Okay, this one is guys, if you are going to call one by one all application, if you want to create a group of applications, so you can go back here, application access. Okay, now if you want to access the website and all those things, so you have to add application from here. Based web browsing. After that, if Gmail, Gmail base. If you want to Google, call this Google base also here. Okay, so now guys, finally you can call this group here inside your rule. Okay, this one is the way how you can allow the application group. If you click here add, so guys at the bottom you will find your group. Okay, wait, where is my group? Oh wait, what name I'm using? Web access is the name. Okay, so now let me go back and we have to type. Did you see application group at the bottom? So to call your individual multiple application, you can directly create a group and call that group inside this. Okay, and finally commit. So guys, this one is a simple application filtering, how we are going to perform application filtering. Okay, and how it will work. Okay, so guys, if you have any question regarding application filtering and if you want to see any further lab in this, so please you can post your query on the live chat. Okay, otherwise I'm going to bind up this session today, and tomorrow we are going to study about the content filtering. For tomorrow we will be check the how we will be application filtering. Maybe guys tomorrow we didn't have session. Now next session is on Monday. Okay, uh, by same time. Okay, And tomorrow, guys, but I will upload some interview related question on the YouTube video. So that video you can check on my channel. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think you didn't have any question. I'm not getting any live chats till right now. So I'm going to bind up this session. Okay, guys. Now see you on Monday. Take care. Bye.